Hi, so let's talk about additional study tips or study techniques now. When I was still in law school, I always try to study like I am tasked to report. Imagine nyo or try to recall an instance whether nung elementary, high school, or college nyo na kayo yung pinag-report ng isang topic. And because of that responsibility na ikaw yung magdi-discuss, ikaw yung magre-report, kailangan mo siyang aralin. So, ina-anticipate mo kung ano yung pwedeng question. So, pinaghahandaan mo yung question at kino-cover mo lahat ng areas ng topic na pwede mong i-cover. Now, that is how I study. No? Meaning, either I talk to myself or I read it like I am reporting. Why? Because kapag ganun ang mentality mo na mag-aral, ang tendency is you'll cover all the areas na concern you topic. And usually, binibigay naman yan ng mga authors, lahat ng pwedeng matouch na topic. Kaya nga sa isang article, minsan, nag-advance na siya ng discussions, or nagtatouch siya ng ibang topic kasi nga, tinatry niyang i-cover yung discussion dun sa isang article lang na yun. So, kapag ang approach mo is magre-report ako, may tendency talaga na maganda ang result ng study mo. Kasi hindi mo lang siya binasa kasi kailangan mo magbasa. Pero inaral mo talaga siya. So try it. Just try it na. Ang ganun lang gawin nyo. And let's see kung merong mag-improve sa studies ninyo. Yun lang.